Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. Today is a red day recap, so you can see as my screen showing, $437 loss. I'm not mad about it. I think I traded okay today, so keeping this small loss is a good thing. Like always, I trade live on Tradecaster. You're welcome to watch me trade with my team and I. Every morning I send the link in my Discord, so go ahead and check that out. And if you're liking these recaps, make sure to hit click, like, and subscribe. So here it is. I traded two tickers. One of them was red for $955 loss, and the other one was a green trade on MITQ for 518 profit. So I'm going to go over the losing trade first. It was on VLON. It was in the first 5-10 minutes of market open. So we broke highs as market open and we squeezed a little bit higher. My entry on the stock was right here on this candle. So we had a little bit of a downtrend. We hit highs, we had a double top, pulled back, and then we had a stronger volume. So you can see this candle, this volume candle here is bigger than all of these past ones, which was consolidation downtrending. So buyers really stepped in, started squeezing some people out. We got over this resistance here that I have marked. So the 257, we had a wick there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 candles right below it. So this candle came up, broke that level. The body of the candle closed above it, so that was a good sign. And I thought that from here we would get a micro pullback and retest of 268, possibly break it and go on higher to 270, 275. So I jumped in on this candle on that micro pullback. I believe I got a higher fill on this one, so I was filled somewhere up here. And I actually, somewhere on this candle, not the green candle. So I filled in on that red candle pretty high. And I actually added, since I was filled pretty high, I added a lower position down there. And the next candle, so I thought this candle, I wanted this candle to close above 257 and then the next candle make the next move up higher. But after that, sellers stepped in, buyers gave out, and we flushed right back down. And I took this trade out somewhere down here, so that's where I exited. I probably could have exited a little earlier, but I was still kind of hoping that we would turn around. But that was a good trade. I would take this trade again if I ever saw it. You have a downtrend, strong buyers, good volume, micro pullback, holding that resistance. I would buy that for a next move up. So today, Friday, if I saw that trade on Monday, I would do the same thing. If I had lost on it, then that's fine with me. Overall, market was pretty bad today. I mean, everything is selling off, so I feel like sellers in low cap penny stocks feel a little bit more confident to go in short on positions, and that's why that stock couldn't get a break, and then this one had a big short, big flush. This one, I took two trades on this one. First trade, I believe, was the break of this candle right here. So you got a pre-market resistance right there of 267. So I got in on that and took profits as we were getting out. Luckily, I didn't buy a pullback here or anything like that because we also dipped, flushed. The next place I was looking for an entry was right here at 174, and I had already seen the flush on the other stock where a lot of sellers were strong, so I didn't feel comfortable taking a breakout on this. And good thing I didn't, because there is three wick. Hold on, I'll show you why. There is three wicks right there. Let me make it bigger. There's three wicks right there. There's a big wick right there, and then you got three more wicks right here. These are all false breakouts. You have this level right here of 174, and buyers coming in, they break it, can't hold it. Break it, can't hold it. We come back up, really good volume, really good candle, closing at the very top. We break it, can't hold it. We do it 1, 2, 3 more times. So at that point, I left this candle alone. I was telling my live team, I said I'm not buying a breakout on this stock. I'm gonna wait for a pullback and get back in. So this first trade over here, I made $200 or something like that, 238. And then over here, once we got that final breakout, we saw that we were holding and came back to this level right here, my next resistance. That was a wick candle over here, so I marked that horizontally, and now we have support of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. So I got in somewhere on this third candle or fourth candle and bought a dip off of here somewhere, and I sold half and probably stopped out half somewhere around there. Good thing I did. I had a stop loss or something like that, or a mental loss, and cut it out. And 2 minutes later, we had a flush down of I mean, this is a 13% flush, so that was a nasty little flush that thank God I was not in, but not good to see. So those were my only three or four trades that I took. Only two ticker symbols, and I mean, it's a red day, but nonetheless, it's not a bad red day. So still green on the week, still keeping my streak, and I'll be back Monday for more. So hopefully I'll get it back then. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment any videos, any questions you got, anything you want me to answer. So see you guys on Monday.